Yeah, the Minnesota DNR has 45 field offices across the state of Minnesota. Most of them are in the northern half of the state. We actually stopped by the office that's closest to us in Cambridge to see the equipment that they're using to keep people safe from these fires. When you're fighting wildfires outside the city,
this is a pump right here.
You don't have the luxury of a fire hydrant on every street corner.
Drawing water out from a river, lake, pond.
You either have to pump the water or bring it with you.
The Type 4 like this engine carries 850 gallons of water.
And sometimes you have to go places a normal truck just can't go.
This is one of our track vehicles.
Working in the woods, equipment is everything.
They can climb over large logs or debris.
DNR Fire Prevention Specialist Karen Harrison says they're putting a lot of miles on their equipment this week.
First thing in the morning, we're checking over every vehicle every day.
Their field office in Cambridge is seeing a few calls a day.
It's really hot, it's dry, and it's windy.
We stopped by just as they were switching the sign from very high to extreme fire risk.
I'm telling people, don't be fooled by the green, because if you look closely, there's still a lot of dry, dead vegetation.
About once per day, they're even calling in air support. This video was captured on Sunday showing their helicopter dropping water on a wildfire in the North Metro.
It's very helpful to have.
Tom Simone works on the flight crew. He says a team of 3 crew members and a pilot respond to calls that need extra help from above.
We land, we get out, we put this bucket on, and we go to work fighting the fire.
But despite all of their equipment, their greatest tool is prevention.
Anything that you're doing right now, any spark could create a wildfire, and because of the conditions, it can spread really rapidly and get out of control.
Now, during this extreme fire risk warning, the DNR is asking Minnesotans to avoid all fires, even campfires, until these conditions improve. They say that even in these kinds of conditions, an ember can travel more than a mile, especially when we see wind like the wind we saw here today.
Wow.
Julie, back to you.
All right. Thank you, Gordon.